Hello everyone, my name is Ruben from Affirmative Handyman Services. Well, I have done a new remodel. We replace the wood flooring. So here you go. We got a new wood flooring in the living room. As you can see, it looks like a mirror. And that's because Liz, my customer, she did a really nice job on it. So everything came out very nice, and I like to share the customer's opinion on my job. What do you think, Ron?
I love it. I love it. I've used Ruben, all the time. I highly recommend it. In fact, my pet Yoda is very relaxed. Look at this guy.
And there it is. That's Yoda.
Yoda?
Relax on the new wood flooring.
Finished product.
Here she comes. Very obedient dog, and he loves the floor. Look at him. He comes. He wants to talk.
So
So what do you think about the new flooring installation? Here is my customer.
I love it. It's great. It's perfect, and I could never get anyone to do what Ruben did over here. I recommend him highly.
All right, thank you. How about yourself?
Oh, absolutely. I use Ruben's service on all my homes. I love it. I highly recommend him. And I've recommended him all through the city. I'm on the city council here, and I highly recommend all through the city. Everybody knows him. Everybody's so impressed with him. They say, "How did you know such an upstanding gentleman?" I said, "Well, hey, these are the type of people I attract." And so I highly recommend him. And as you can tell, my pet Yoda is very relaxed here, loves the floor. And that is the final word, because that is the final word on Ruben's work. As you can tell, Yoda is relaxed.
That's right. Okay. Well, with this, I conclude my job for today. So if anybody needs a wood flooring installation, you can call me at 714-609-0699. Thank you, everyone, and see you soon.